That's what we don't want to catch. Ladyfish. Live bait fishing. I don't know what we got here. It's got a little weight to it. Hopefully it's not a ray. It is a jack. A nice jack. Tighten down on him a bit. Here's a nice jack, about 6-7 pounds. Oh, there we go. Oh, gotcha. See. Big one. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to my channel, Costa Fishing, again today. Just to give you guys a quick rundown on what we were using today. I was throwing my cast net at first light, and we were catching all kinds of perfect size little bait that work great in Potrero Bay here for all types of species. Today we were trying to catch corvina. Unfortunately, we didn't get any bites on that, but we did get a couple nice jacks, a few ladyfish, and it was a fun morning. So I was throwing these out on a 1/0 circle hook with 30-pound leader on a 1.5 ounce egg sinker on a 10-foot surf rod with my 4500 reel and 20-pound braided line. This is a great combination for fishing here in Potrero. I hope you guys enjoyed the action today, and I will be coming to you soon with more videos, hopefully with some big corvina, snapper, and snook action from the beach here in Costa Rica. Have a good day, guys. Thanks again for tuning in.